Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Use Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to update Atlas Earth application using your Android device. To update to the latest version of Atlas Earth is a straightforward process. If your application is misbehaving and not working properly, then it might be due to outdated application that you are currently using. So to update or check for an update for Atlas Earth, first of all, go ahead and launch open your Google Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Atlas Earth. In the search result, go ahead and look for this application where it says Atlas Earth by Virtual Land. You will be able to see an update button if the latest update is available for the app. Tap on the update button to start downloading Atlas Earth latest version on your Android device. So that is how you can easily update your Atlas Earth application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.